Hi students, welcome to Math Tonic. This is the second prediction paper. The first prediction paper already I have discussed and I have given the link below the description. Okay, so you can go and check there as well. And today we are going to discuss about the second prediction paper. So let's start. The first question is given that write 90 as a product of prime factors. What does it mean? So it's easy question. So find out two numbers whose times is 90. So I can write on 9 times 10, and I can break this 9 as a 3 times 3, and 10 I can break it as a 2 times 5. So we have this prime numbers, correct? So we can write down that 90 is equals to 2 times 3 squared times 5. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, expand and simplify. So you have to expand this one. It will be 2t plus 2w plus 3w minus 3t, right? So you can see here 2w plus 3w, that becomes 5w, and 2t minus 3t, that becomes minus t. So this simplification should be 5w minus t. Got it everyone clearly? Question number 3. Okay, so question number 3 is given that two shapes are given as a mathematically similar, and we need to find the value of this height, that is h is given. So basically this question belongs to similar shapes, right? You can see here this corresponding side is given 9 and this one is given 5 centimeters. So if I try to find out length scale factor, it should be 9 over 5, that equals to 1.8. What does it mean? That means this bigger side is 1.8 times bigger. Yes or no? Right? So this is smaller side, this is bigger side, and bigger side is given. So that means it will be 1.8 times smaller. So we need to find the value of h. So we can simply do 6.3 over 1.8, that equals to, when you put the value in calculator, you can check that it should be 3.5 centimeter. Did you get it everyone clearly? Next question. The area of smaller shape is given 16 centimeter square. So calculate the area of the larger shape. What does it mean? The smaller area, this one, is given 16 centimeter square, right? And we need to find out this bigger area. What does it mean? That means we need to find out the area scale factor. Okay, in the previous part, we are given that length scale factor, it is given 1.8. So yes, so how to find area scale factor? So area scale factor equals to 1.8 square. That means if I put the value, I will get 3.24. What does it mean? That means this area is 3.24 times bigger than this area. Did you get it? So smaller area is given already is 16 centimeter square. So 16 times 3.24, that should be 51.84. So we got this answer, 51.84 centimeter square for the bigger area. Got it? Listen, if I'm going very fast, pause the video, try to learn it. Okay, and yes, by the time, please do subscribe and share this video to your friends, so that upcoming physics, computer science videos will be uploaded, so it can get notification. Okay, next is question is about rearrangement. So we can write down t equals to 3d minus e, and we have to put square root over it. Okay, question is given, make the d subject. That means I have to remove the square root. So take square on both sides. So that means square root will be removed, right? Now rearrange it. If I try to move this, it will be t squared plus e, that equals to 3 times t. Divide 3 on both sides, t squared plus e over 3, that equals to d. So if I write the answer, it should be t squared plus e over 3 will be the answer for this question. Did you get it everyone clearly? Next question. Next question is given, a cylinder with a height of 12.5 centimeter has a curved surface area 105 pi centimeter squared. Calculate the volume of cylinder. If I try to draw this, no need to draw in the exam paper, so simply understanding purpose I'm doing this. Question is given that this height is given 12.5 centimeter. What does it mean? This h is given 12.5 centimeter. Is it okay? And curved surface area. Curved surface area means this part. And curved surface area, the formula is, it should be 2 pi rh. Got it? Yes. So as per the question, that 2 pi rh, that means curved surface area is given 105 pi. 105 pi, right? Now how to simplify, and we need to find the value of r as well. Okay, let me write down this one. 2 times pi times r, we need to find out. Height is given already. I can replace this 12.5, that equals to 105 pi. Is it okay? So I can cancel this pi and pi, because if I try to take this to other side, it will be divided. Now I want to keep r subject, right? If I put r subject here, and if I try to bring this 2 and 12.5 to other side, it will go to the denominator. Yes or no? So we can say, so r equals to, if I try to put this one in calculator, I hope you are getting r equals to 4.2 centimeter. What does it mean? That means this radius we got 4.2 centimeter. Question is, find out the volume of cylinder. How to find the volume of cylinder? What is the formula, everyone? It should be v equals to pi r square h. So pi times r, we got 4.2 squared, and height is given, that is 12.5, that equals to 692.72. so we can write down 692.72 centimeter cube. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Yes, again I'm saying, if I'm going very fast, so please pause the video or make the video slower so you can understand properly. Okay, question number 6a. So question number 6a is about indices. So I hope you know the in law of indices that a times b power m, if I expand this, it becomes a power m times b power m. This is the law of indices, says that, right? So now we have 64 in y power 7. If I try to expand this, it will be 64 power 2 over 3, and y power 27 power 2 over 3 as well, right? Okay, if you put this value in the calculator, you will get this one as a 64 power 2 over 3. And as one more law of indices says that a power m power n, that equals to a power mn. That means power of a power times it. So if you times this 27 times 2 over 3, you will get this one as a 18. So this answer is 16 times y power 18 would be the answer for this indices question. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Yes. Next question is given, simplify. If you see, there is a formula we have already, I think I've told you in the first prediction paper. The formula is a squared minus b squared equals to, that will be a plus b times a minus b. We can factorize this, yes or no? So can I write down this one, x minus 5 over denominator, I can write down x squared minus 5 squared, because 5 squared is 25. I can factorize this, it should be x plus 5 times x minus 5, and this will be x minus 5, right? If I cancel this x minus 5, because same we have in numerator and denominator as well. So this answer should be 1 over x plus 5 as an answer for this question. Got it, everyone? Yes. Next question. Question number 7. F is the product of the mass and m and a. So m can be anything, a can be anything. Basically it's about force equals to mass times accelerations, but okay. Now question is given that, so I can write down proportional to means what? Directly proportional, right? So I can write down f is directly proportional to m times a. This is a question is given, right? So we know that if I try to remove this sign of proportionality, it will be k times m times a. Got it, everyone, clearly? Now question is given, calculate the percentage change if f when m is increased by 40%. 40% increase means it should be 140%. A is decreased by 15% means it should be 85%. So 140% of m. So if I try to write in decimal, you will get 1.4 m, correct? And 85% of a, that means it will be 0.85 a. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? So your m, if I try to write down the new force or new f equals to k times, instead of m, this will be 1.4 m, and instead of a, it should be 0.85 a. I hope I understood this part, right? And this is my old f value. So new f value equals to, if I try to multiply 1.4 times 0.85, check with the calculator, you'll get 1.19. I got k times ma, and this k times m is nothing but this is the old value, right? So I can write down the new f new value, that is 1.19 times f old value. Did you understand what I'm trying to say? If you see, the new f becomes 1.19 times f old. That means from this we can say that is 19% change. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? This is 19 percentage change. Okay. Question number 8. Question number 8 is given. Calculate the obtuse angle PRQ. PRQ means this is the what angle we need to find out, right? How to find this? I hope all of you remember the sine rule. What is the sine rule? Says that sine A over A equals to sine B over B equals to sine C over C. As I'm trying to find this, I'll keep in numerator. So sine PRQ like this over, that is 18 centimeter, that equals to this will be sine 42 over this one we got 13.5, correct, right? Now if I try to move this 18 to the side, it will be sine PRQ. So this 18 will go to the numerator, sine 42 over 13.5. Got it? As I'm trying to find the angle, so PRQ, that equals to sine inverse 18 times, it will be sine 42 over 13.5. When you put the value in calculator, I think we'll get 63.14177 degree. Okay, so question is given, find the obtuse angle of PRQ. So we need to find obtuse angle. If you remember, in cos diagram, this is cos is positive, all are positive, sine is positive, and tan is positive, right? 63 is lying in which quadrant? First quadrant. This will be 63.14177, right? And sine is positive in other triangle, other quadrant, that is second quadrant. If I try to draw this, this is also will be 63.14177, right? So second angle should be this one. To find the obtuse angle, you have to subtract from 180. So this answer should be 180 minus 63.14177, and this answer should be 116.85 degree. Yes, this will be 116.85 degree will be the obtuse angle for this one. 116.85 degree. Did you understand, everyone? So if I'm going very fast, I'm assuming that you know the formula already. So if I'm going very fast, please slow the video and try to learn it, okay? And again, if you have any doubt regarding any question, do comment. I will reply accordingly, okay? Next question. So by the time, please subscribe the channel, share this video to all your friends, so that whenever we are trying to upload any video, you will get notifications, guys. Okay, now question is given that to find out the value of x. We have to solve it. Okay, it's a question of inequality. So please try to expand this. It will be 8x minus 12 greater than equals to 43 plus 3x. Now please minus 3x minus 3x, it becomes, let me write down this one, 8x minus 3x minus 12. This side should be 43 because 3x minus 3 is 0, right? So I got this one, 5x minus 12 greater than equals to 43. To remove this minus 12, I will add plus 12 plus 12. So I'll get 5x greater than equals to 43 plus 12. Got it? So I got 5x greater than 55. Right now, you can divide 5 on both sides. So I can say 55 over 5. So we can get the answer, x is greater than equals to 11. That is the answer for this question, everyone. Yes. Next question. Next question is given as that is called recurring decimal. We have to convert this into fraction. See, whenever recurring decimal is given, make it equal to x, that is 0 0.42222 like this. You can see here the 2 is only the recurring part. What are the steps? See, first try to take this non-recurring number to other side. So I will do times 10. I will do times 10. So this will become 10x equals to 4.2222 like this. Is it okay? Next step, the repeating number, try to take that. So if I check it, one digit there, so I times 10 times 10, it will be 100x, that equals to 42.2222 like this. Can you see this, everyone? If you see this, in these two equations, the decimal values are exactly same. So what I'll do is I will try to subtract these two equations. So I can write down 100x equals to 42.222 like this, and 10x equals to, it will be 4.222 like this. Can you see this? If I subtract this both, 100x minus 90x becomes, 100x minus 10x equals to 90x, that equals to, and these are exactly same, the decimal value. So 42 minus 4, that becomes 38. So if I try to find the value of x, 38 over 90. If you simplify more, I think I'm getting 19 over 45, because question is given simplest form. Please try to write the answer in simplest form. The answer should be 19 over 45. Did you understand everyone clearly? Okay, question number 11. At the end of 2021, there were 27,000 rhinos living in the wild. The number of rhinos is expected to decrease exponentially by 3% every year. Work out the number of rhinos expected to be living with the wild 4 years later at the end of 2025. What does it mean? So number of years is given 4 and exponentially decreasing by what percentage? 3%. So basically this is the opposite formula of the compound interest. So if you remember, in compound interest you normally do p times 1 plus, but it is exponentially decreasing, so I'll put 1 minus, that is r over 100 power n, that equals to, we need to find out the value for this one, right? Okay, what is p is given? P is nothing but the initial value, which is given 27,000, and 1 minus percentage is 3 over 100, and number of years is given 4. You can see here, right? When you put the value, okay, if I try to do 27,000 times, this becomes, I think, 0.97 power 4. So if when you do this, this answer should be 23,902.9, and the question is given, write down nearest whole number. This answer should be 23903. This should be the answer for this question. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Next, okay, this is a question of like graphical inequality, a very good question. We'll try to solve this question. Okay, if you see this, I hope all of you know that if we have a this kind of strictly greater than or lesser than, for this cases I will take dotted line. If greater than equals to or lesser than equals to, I will draw solid line. Okay, that part I hope you know this one. Now how to like shed unwanted region and how to get the answer for this one. Always remember, first try to find out the like lines or equations as equals to. For example, think it is given y equals to 1, think it is given x equals to 2, and think it is given x plus 2. Did you understand, everyone? But if you see this, it is strictly greater than 1. That means I have to go for dotted line. So y equals to 1 means which one? Let me draw this, please. So y equals to 1 means it will be this line, but that should be a dotted line. Did you understand, everyone, clearly? This should be a dotted line. Be careful. Correct? This part is done. So let me first write down that this one I am writing here. I'm sorry. This one I got y equals to 1. Got it? Next part is x equals to 2. X equals to which line? This one, right? X equals to 2. So but if you see, it is given that x is less than equals to 2, so I have to go for a solid line. Okay, so this will be a solid line. Can you see this? Right, now let me write down this one, that this is given x equals to 2. Okay, next is given y greater than equals to x plus 2. Please try to draw the line first. So first make it equal and try to take at least 2 points, x and y. Now tell me when x is 0, so y equals to 2. For example, x is 2, so y equals to 4. So it just, we got this 2 points, right? 0, 2 and 2, 4. 0, 2 will be here and 2, 4 will be here, right? So if I try to draw this line, it will be looking like this. Is it okay? 1 second, please. Yes. Okay, so this is the line I got. Correct? Now question is how to shed this region. We'll try to understand this. Okay, the first one is given y is greater than 1. So when I'm saying y is greater than 1, what I'm trying to say is, see, this is the line which y equals to 1, right? So basically we have two parts. We have this part and this part. So we can shed, and we will shed the unwanted region. Try to understand this. For example, take any value of y from this side or any value of y from this side. That is your choice, right? For example, I'm saying I'm taking y value from this side. For example, I'm saying y equals to 5. So when I'm saying for y equals to 5, now tell me, is it true or false? So this is true. So what does it mean? This area becomes true for me. Did you get it? And this area becomes false for me. So what I should do is I will try to shade this area, the unwanted region. Did you understand? Clear? Okay. Next part is given that x is less than equals to 2. So x is equals to 2, that means this is the line, right? So what does it mean? It means we have this line, so I can shade this area or this area, right? Now for example, the question is given x is less than equals to 2. Try to take any value of x from this side or from this side, right? So for example, I'm taking x equals to 0. So when I put x equals to 0 less than 2, that means this is true or false? This is true, right? That means what, this part will be true and this part will be false. So I will shade the unwanted region, false region. So I will try to shade this part. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Right? Now go for the next line, which is given y. This line will be given as a y equals to x plus 2. But in terms of inequality, what is given? Y is greater than equals to x plus 2, like this, right? Now what to do is, we have this line, right? We can shade this area or we can shade this area. But how to know this? So try to take any coordinate of your choice. For example, I'm taking this coordinate. What is given? It should be 0, 6. So 0 and 6, right? Put the value here. So y is 6 greater than 0 plus 2. So y greater than equals to 2. Is it true or false? This is true. That means this area becomes true and this area becomes false. So if I try to shade this unwanted region, did you get it, everyone, clearly? So which part is the required region? This part which is left, this will be or your required region. Can you see this, everyone, clearly? Very important question. Try to practice more as you can. Okay, next question is about what this is about, upper bound, lower bound. Yes, the most common question, and I'm damn sure you're going to get this question exam paper, the upper bound lower bound question. Okay, now we have two values which is given, w equals to 11 and h equals to 9.5, correct? Now they are both correct to two significant figures. So if I try to find out upper bound and to find lower bound, so two significant figure, this should be 11.5 and this should be 10.5. okay, for 9.5, two significant figure, it should be 9.55 and it should be 9.45. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? So question is given, find the lower bound and upper bound of p. This is a formula is given. So can you write down like this? P lower bound, that equals to 2 times w lower bound plus 2 times h lower bound. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? So what is 2 times w lower bound? We got 10.5. This is 10.5 plus 2 times I think h lower bound, we got 9.45, right? So if I try to add this, I got 39.9. that means this value I got 39.5. got it, everyone, clearly? Next, p upper bound. So p upper bound equals to 2 times, what is w is given? So w is given 11.5. we'll take the upper bound right now, 11.5 plus 2 times h upper bound, which is given 9.55, right? When I try to put the value in calculator, you should get the answer, that is 42.1. this will be the answer for this question. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Yes. Question number 14. Yes, question number 14 is a graph question. I think this is distance and time graph. Yes, this is distance time graph, shows the information, the person journey from home to office. And if you see this question carefully, this is the distance is given. So if I count it, I'm getting 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Yes, this 65 kilometer. Got it? Okay, so what is the first question is given? Calculate the average speed in kilometer per hour for person journey from home to office. So we know that speed equals to distance over time. Speed equals to distance over time. So how to find the speed? You can see here, if I try to show you the total distance, one second please. Yes, so if I try to show you, it will look like this. Can you see this, everyone? Yes, right. And this time, what a time distance is given. If I 10 to 12, that means 2 hours, right? And this one is given, distance is given 65. Yes, so I can simply do what, 6 distance over time, 65 over 2, that should be 32.5. so this one I got 32.5 kilometer per hour. Did you understand, everyone, clearly? This is the average speed I'm getting it. Okay, next question is given. When the person arrives at the office, he finds the meeting is cancelled. He immediately returns home at a constant speed of 50 kilometer per hour. So try to understand this one. Total distance the person has to move, which is given as 65 kilometer, right? You can see here, from here the person should return 65 kilometer. And as per the question, what is speed is given. So speed is equals to 50, what is given? Yes, 50 kilometer per hour. So question, if I ask you, tell me what time it will take. So time equals to distance over speed, that equals to distance is given 65 over 50. When do this, we'll get 1.3 hour. So 1.3 means 1 plus 0.3 hours, right? So that is 0.3 hours means, if I try to convert this in minutes, so 0.3 times 60, which equals to 18 minutes. So 1 hour 18 minutes it will take time to come back to home. So how to draw this? So from 12 I'll add 1 hour 18 minutes, that means 1318. Yes or no? So how to find 1318? If I count it, this is 1 2 3. Okay, listen, this is 1330. Can you see this? Right, this is 13, this is 1330, this is 14, half an hour, right? If you see this, if 10 lines becomes 30 minutes, so one line becomes 3 minutes. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, this will be your 1318. Did you get it? So now what to do? We have to simply join from the top of this point to 1318 like this, because the person is returning home. One second please. Yes, so you can do this better. Yes, can you see this, everyone? Your graph will look like this. Okay, next question. Next question is given. Diagram shows a position of 3 towns, that is UBW. U is due west of V, and angle is given was is 125. So which angle is given 125? This angle is given 125 degree. Okay, now calculate the bearing of U from W. So what does it mean? Calculate bearing of U from W means we need to calculate this angle. The part I'm going to show you right now, we need to find out, this is the angle we need to find out. Okay, so how to find out? First of all, I will try to find the angle, this one, the part I'm shading as yellow color. Can you see this, everyone? Okay, how to find this? I think we can use the sine rule, right? So let me try this. So can we say that sine, I'm talking about this angle, right? So UWV, okay, let me write down UWV angle over 27.3, that equals to sine 125 over 62.4. If I try to rearrange it, move it, so sine UWV, this angle, that equals to 27.3 times sine 125 over 62.4, right? Now if I try to find out UWV, that equals to sine inverse this thing, right? When you put this value in the calculator, check, you will be getting 21 degree. What does it mean? This small angle I'm going to get 21 degree. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Yes. Now one more thing we have to understand. What is the thing we have to understand? Let me move this one, because one second, everyone. Yes, okay. One second, I think something is missing. Yes, okay, no problem. Now listen carefully. We need to find out this total angle, right? Okay, now bearing is always calculated from the north direction. So let me draw this. So that means this angle is what, 90? Can you see this total angle? Now if this one is 21 and this one is 125, can we find out this small angle? The small angle we are talking about. So how to find this small angle? 180 minus 125 plus 21. When you do this, what is the angle you are getting? I think you might get the angle 34 degree. That means this small angle I'm getting 34 degree, and this one is 90. So this angle should be 180 minus 34, that equals to 56 degree. Now you tell me, this is two line, this is like transverse, these two lines are parallel, this one we have 56 degree. Can't we find this angle? Easy, because we know angles on the same side of a parallel lines, that is add up to what, 180. So we can find out this is 180 minus 56, that equals to, I think you are getting 124 degree. So that means this angle I got 124 degree. How to find this angle, this part? So simply 360 minus 124, and this answer should be 236 degree. Did you understand, everyone? This answer should be, this is the final answer we're talking about, bearing of U from W, that equals to 236 degree. Okay, bearing question we can expect in the exam paper, so please be practiced. Okay, now question number 16. Question number 16 about trigonometric graph. So this is a normal question, y equals to sine x. Let me try to do this. So this value should be 90, and after this 180 plus 90 should be 270, and we know that sine 90 equals to 1, sine 180 equals to 0, sine 270 equals to -1, and 360 equals to 0. So your graph of sine curve will look like this. Can you see here? Like this. Okay, so first part is over. Second part is given. Try to solve this equation from 0 to 360. Let me try to rearrange it. So 3 sine x equals to -1. If I try to move it, so I got sine x equals to -1 over 3. See, here for this case sine x is negative. Okay, now how to find the value of x angle? So sine inverse -1 over 3, that equals to -19.47. But the problem is we need to find the value which is lying between 0 to 360, not negative angle. So how to do this? We can solve this using this graph, or you can just simply use that cast diagram. Okay, if I try to tell you through cast diagram, if you remember, this is the like cos here, cos is positive, this is all are positive, this is sine is positive, and this is tan is positive, right? And this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 180, this is 270, this one should be 360. Okay, if you go in this way it will be positive angle, if you go this way it will be negative angle. Got it? Now you tell me -19.47 will be lying in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant, that too in this direction. See, there is no negative positive angle, negative and positive, because of the directions. So this will be, I'm taking as a -19.47. Is it okay? Now you tell me, you are here at this place, you if you go in this way it will be negative angle, but I need positive angle. So if I try to go to place in this way, so it will be what angle? So x equals to 360 minus 19.47. So 360 minus 19.47 equals to 340.53. So we got this one angle. So I'm writing x equals to 340.53. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Now if you see this here, sine angle is negative. So sine is negative in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant and third quadrant, right? Please reflect the image. If this is 19 point, this one, this is also 19.47, right? Now you are here this place. How to reach up to this place? This one. So second angle should be 180 plus 19.47, that equals to, I got this answer 199.47. So two angles we got it, 199.47 and 340.55. Sorry, 53. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Yes. Question number 17. Question number 17 is given that the line 5 minus 2x intersects the graph y equals to x squared minus 3x minus 28 at point P and Q. The coordinates of P and Q we need to find out. Always remember, whenever two lines are intersecting, or one curve, one line is intersecting, doesn't matter, you have to solve with a simultaneous equation. We need to find the value of x and y so that this intersecting coordinates we can get it easily. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? So now, so we have y equals to 5 minus 2x, and we have y equals to x squared minus 3x minus 28. Is it okay? Now please solve this simultaneous equation. Both are y, make it equal. So x squared minus 3x minus 28, that equals to 5 minus 2x. So try to bring all the terms to one side and make it equal to 0. So x squared minus 3x minus 28 plus 2x minus 5, that equals to 0. Is it okay? So we got x squared minus 3x plus 2x, that becomes I think minus x, and minus 28 minus 5, that becomes minus 33, that equals to 0. Got it? Now we need to find the value of x. We can use what formula? We can use quadratic formula. If you remember, x equals to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac square root over t 2a. So see, all I think the formula sheet is given. So yes, that formula is given already in your first or second page. Yes, this is given. Can you see this? The formula is given for the equation ax squared plus bx plus c, which is a is not equals to 0. Okay, now how to find the value of this one? So 1 second please. Yes, so from this curve, from this quadratic equation, we have a equals to 1, we have b equals to -1, and we have c equals to minus 33. Can you see this? So how to find the value of x? So x equals to minus b minus minus 1 plus or minus b squared minus 1 squared minus 4 times ac, and c is given minus 33. Did you get it? Take square root over 2a, that is 2a means 2 times 1. Right? So when you put the value in calculator, you'll get two values. What are the two values you get? One value will be 6.266, and other value should be minus 5.266. Okay, try to understand. So that means one value we got 6.266, other value I'm getting minus 5.266. Can you see this? Right, now how to find the value of y? You can take any value, like any equation, your choice, because you have solved as a simultaneous equation. So for example, I'm taking the first one, y equals to 5 minus 2x. So here the two x value I'm going to put here 6.266. When you put the value in calculator, you will get minus 7.532. Okay, and for this case, y equals to, again same thing, 5 minus 2x. So in place of x, I can write down minus 5.266. When I put the value in calculator, you are going to get 15.532. So for x 6.266, I am getting minus 7.532. Be careful whenever you're writing the answer. This is x equals to minus 5.266. For that y value, we got 15.532. You can write down up to 3 significant figure also, because I have done here 3 decimal places. Okay, next question. So guys, if you find it very useful, please do subscribe and please share this to your friends, so that whenever you'll get new videos, you'll be notified. Okay, question number 18, that is, curve has an equation that is y equals to this. Differentiate this equation. I hope all of you know the basic formula, that when y equals to x power n, then dy over dx equals to, formula says that nx time nx power n minus 1. So same formula I'll be applying here. So dy over dx, when you go for differentiation, it should be 3x squared minus 18x. Okay, if you don't understand how to do this, I'm telling you, x cube will be like this, 3n times n minus 1, x power n minus 1, that is 3 minus 1. Can you see this? Minus 9 times x squared differentiation will be 2x. And for constant one, what I got minus 48, x will be minus 48. So if I try to write down, I get 3x squared minus 18x minus 48. This should be your differentiation. So I'm writing here 3x squared minus 18x minus 48. Got it? Next, find the coordinates of the turning points of the graph y equals to this. Okay, remember, So no need to draw the graph for understanding purpose. I'm doing this. When the power of x is 3, so definitely you're going to get two turning points. This is one turning point, right? This is second turning point. Yes or no? And remember, at turning points, the gradient of the line that equals to 0, or the gradient of tangent that equals to 0 at turning point, dy over dx, which is the gradient that equals to always 0, right? Now already we have the differentiation, this one, that is make that make like equals to 0. So 3x squared minus 18x minus 48 equals to 0. If I do this, try, okay, divide 3, I think I'll get x squared minus 6x minus 16, that equals to 0. I think we can easily factorize this one. Tell me two numbers whose times will be minus 16 and subtraction or addition should be minus 6. So I think I'll be getting x minus 8 and x plus 2, that equals to 0, because minus 8 times 2 equals to minus 16 and minus 8 plus 2 equals to minus 6. Or simply you can use the quadratic formula that already we have done in the previous questions, right? So if I try to expand it, I'll got x minus 8 equals to 0 and I'll get x plus 2 equals to 0. So we got a value of x equals to 8 and we got value of x equals to minus 2. So one is 8 and one is minus 2. Did you get it, everyone? Then how to find the value y coordinate? For y coordinate, we have to use this, the original equation. Y equals to x cube minus 9x squared minus 48x. So y equals to x cube minus 9 what? X squared, right? One second, please. Yes, 9x squared. So it will be 9 times 8 squared. This will be minus 48 times 8. So check with the calculator what you're getting for this one. I hope you're getting minus 448, like this. Got it? And for this case, y equals to minus 2 cube. Okay, at minus 9 times minus 2 square. Be careful, negative number, you have to put bracket. Minus 48x means x will be replaced by minus 2. Got everyone clearly? So when you put the value in calculator, you might be getting 52. So for 8, we have y as minus 448, and for minus 2, we got 52. So this is the 2 points of intersection, we got it. Question is given, determine whether each of the turning points is a maximum or minimum. I hope you remember that whenever d squared y over dx squared is greater than 0, that point should be minimum point. If the d squared y over dx squared less than 0, this points will be maximum point. This is a condition is given. Okay, now already we have dy over dx, we got it, which is equals to 3x squared minus 18x minus 48. So d squared y over dx squared means you have to differentiate again. So if I try to differentiate again, 3x squared becomes 6x and minus 18 becomes what? Minus 18 only, and 48 is constant differentiation equals to 0. Now we have two values here and here, right? Can you see this? Two turning points. So we can put the value of x there. What does it mean? So I can say at x equals to 8, I'm talking about this. So can you find out 6 times 8 minus 18? Is it okay? Yes or no? So if I do this, I got 30. That means which is greater than 0. So what does it mean? This point will be your minimum point. Got it? Now if I check at x equals to, what is that? Minus 2. So 6 times minus 2 minus 18. So I think I am getting minus 30, which is less than 0. Can you see this, everyone? Right? That means this point, this coordinate should be your maximum point. This is how we have to write down the answers. Okay, don't forget to mention these 2 points, these two reasons, so that you can get full marks for this case. Okay, so please, by that time, everyone, subscribe the channel and do share the video with your friends, everyone, please. Okay, next, this sector of a circle has a radius r and perimeter is 20. So what does it mean? This plus this arc length plus this one is given 20. Do you understand, everyone? So this one will be r, right? And this, how to find this arc of a sector? It should be angle over 360 times 2 pi r. Is it okay? Now, as per the question, r plus theta, let me write down this one. Angle is given 40 over 360 times 2 times pi times r equals to 20. Okay, so by rearranging we can get the value of r, but if you remember, okay, 40 times 2 over 360, when you put the value in calculator, this is 2r, this will be 2 over 9 pi r, that equals to 20. Okay, so what common I can take? We can take r common, we can 2 plus 2 over 9 pi, that equals to 20, right? And if I try to move this number to other side, simply, so r equals to 20 over 2 plus 2 over 9 pi, right? So when you put the value in calculator, I think you might be getting the 7.4125. This is the radius we got it. Do you understand? So this one I got 7.4125, and this is also 7.4125. Question is given, find the value of z. We need to find out the value of z. Now basically you tell me, in a triangle like this one we have 7.4125, this one we have 7.4125, and this is the angle is given 40 degree. So can't we find out this side? Yes, we can. We have to use cosine rule. Remember this one. So this is z is given, so z equals to square root of 7.4125 squared plus 7.4125 squared minus 2 times 4125 times 7.4125 times cos 40, right? So z equals to, when I put the value, you will get 5.07. So we got this value as a 5.07. All of you remember the cosine rule, right? This rule is cosine rule. Let me tell you again. If this is a, this one is b, and this one is c, this side is a, this length is b, this length is c. For example, I'm trying to find out this one. Okay, find out this one. So b will be square root of, okay, it will be a squared plus c squared, right, minus 2ac, the front angle, this is cos b. This is a way to find out it. Okay, yes, this question answer should be 5.07. Got it, everyone? Next question. This question is given, there are first 4 terms of sequence, correct, and the nth term of the sequence is given, this one, and calculate the value of a and b, because this is a and b is given. So listen, sequence given means, what does it mean? For first term, this is n equals to 1, 2.75. Second term, that is n equals to 2, which equals to 6. Third term, that is n equals to 3, that is 11.25. And fourth term, it is given equals to 20. Is it okay, everyone, clearly? So question is, find the value of what? A and b. So first I will put n equals to 1. So this becomes what? 1 over 4, 1 cube. Do you understand? Plus a times 1 squared plus b times 1. So I got this as a 2.75. Because when n equals to 1, the first term is given 2.75. That is equals to 2.75. Is it okay, everyone? Now, it will be 1 over 4 plus a plus b, that equals to 2.75. Is it okay? So I got this one, a plus b, that equals to 2.75 minus 1 over 4. So a plus b, that equals to, when you put the value in calculator, you will get 5 over 2, or we can say 2.5. So the first equation we got, a plus b equals to 2.5. Is it okay? Now put n equals to 2. So n equals, see, you can take any value, n equals 3 also, like 4 also. I'm sorry, this is n 20, this is n equals to 4, my bad. Okay, so n equals to 2. So how we can do this? Simply replace this, half times 2 cube plus a times 2 squared plus this will be b, so b times 2, and n equal to 2, which is given 6. Is it 6? Yes, this is 6. Now we can simplify this one. This will be your 2 plus 4a plus 2b equals to 6. So 4a plus 2b equals to, try to move this one, this will be 6 minus 2 equals to 4. Divide 2 to 2, we got 2a plus b equals to 2. This is second equation, got it. We got 2a plus b equals to 2. Got it? Now if I try to subtract this, simultaneous equations, minus minus minus, so this becomes 0. What is a minus 2a? A minus 2 equals to minus a, right? And 2.5 minus 2, that equals to 0.5. I'm sorry, 0.5. Got it, everyone, clearly? Then how to find the value of a? So a equals to minus 0.5. Simple. Is it okay? Then how to find the value of b? Now we have first equation, or you can take like any equation of your choice. So a plus b equals to 2.5. So a is given minus 0.5 plus b equals to 2.5. If you rearrange it, 2.5 plus 0.5, I am getting 3. So b equals to 3. So a equals to minus 0.5 and b equals to 3. This is how we can get the answer. Got it, everyone? So let me write this here again. A equals to minus 0.5 and b equals to 3. Got it? Question number 21 is about functions. Okay, so yes, as per the question, f of x equals to 6x minus 7. Now question is given, find out f of x plus 2. So x is replaced by x plus 2. Here also x will be replaced by x plus 2 minus 7. So please expand this. It will be 6x plus 12 minus 7. So we got 6x. 12 minus 7, that equals to 5. So we got 6x plus 5. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? Next part is find out the inverse function. So whenever the inverse function is asking for, first write down the main function, which is equals to fx equals to 6x minus 7. Now make it equal to y. So y equals to 6x minus 7. Now rearrange it, keep the x subject. So y plus 7, that equals to 6x. Divide 6 on both sides. So y plus 7 over 6, that equals to 6. Now at the last step, replace y by x. So f inverse of x equals to, it will be x plus 7 over 6. This should be the answer for this question. Did you get it, everyone, clearly? So listen, I'm assuming that you know the basic concept, so I'm doing very fast. If you think I'm going very fast, pause the video, see the solution and try to understand this, okay? Or even just make the video very slow. Now next part is given, find x when g of x is equals to f of 22. First of all, I'll try to write down the main function. What is given? F of x equals to 6x minus 7. Sorry. So if I try to find out f of 22, that means 6 times 22 minus 7. If I try to put the value in calculator, I think you are getting 125. This part is okay. Now as per the question is given, g of x equals to f22. What is g of x is given? This one, x power minus 3, right? So in place of gx, I can write down x power minus 3, that equals to, this one I got 125. So can I say x power minus 3 equals to 125 means 5 power 3? Is it okay? Okay, law of indices says that if you remember, a power b equal like a over b power m, that equals to, if you flip the power, flip the fraction, it will be the sign of power changes. If it is m, it becomes minus m. If it is minus m, it becomes m. So like that, I'm trying to what I'm trying to say is, I'm trying to make this power exactly same. So how we can make this? So x power minus 3, that equals to 5 becomes 1 over 5 and that becomes minus 3. So when the power is same, so base also will be exactly same. So we can say x equals to 1 over 5. Did you get it, everyone? Again, I'm saying if you find very difficult, do comment. I will try to explain again. Okay. Question number 22. Yes, this is very important question. Probability. We'll try to understand this question. Question is given that is a bag and bag B contain red sweet and yellow sweets. Okay. Anna picks a sweet at random from bag A, and Ben picks a sweet from random from bag B as well. Okay. The probability the Anna picks red sweet is given 2 over 5, and probability Anna and Ben both pick yellow sweet is given 1 over 10. First of all, remember in probability, when the term and comes, that means it is multiplication. This is called keywords. You have to remember this. Okay. When we have a or, that means you have to go for addition. First part, correct? Okay. If you see the question carefully, for Anna I'm talking about, probability of getting red is given, which is given I think 2 over 5. Now you tell me what is the probability of getting yellow for Anna, right? It should be 3 over 5. Is it okay? Easy? Right. Now, second part is given that probability the Anna picks red sweet is given 2 over 5. This part I have done. The probability of Anna, that is, I'm writing it like this, probability of getting yellow, that is for Anna, times probability of getting yellow, that is for Ben, right? That equals to, it is given 1 over 10. Can you see this? Probability Anna and Ben both pick a yellow sweet. So probability of yellow is given what? 1 over 10. Got it? Now probability of yellow by Anna, we got this as a 3 over 5. Now replace this 3 over 5 times probability of y, that is by Ben, equals to 1 over 10. If I try to move to other side, it will be divided. So probability of yellow by Ben, that equals to 1 over 10 times 5 over 3. Did you get it? So you'll get 1 over 6. What is this? So probability of getting yellow for what? For Ben, right? Now tell me what will be the question is all about. What is the question is all about? The question is given that 1 second please. Both pick red sweet. Very good. So red means, now tell me probability of getting red for Ben. It should be 5 over 6. Simple, because it is given 1 over 6. Now probability of Anna and Ben. So probability of red by Anna times probability of red by what? Ben. So for Anna it is given 2 over 5. And for Ben we got 5 over 6. So when you simplify this, you will get 1 over 3. So we got this answer as a 1 over 3. This is very important question. Please try to pause it and try to learn it what I have done. First thing is that we should understand for probability, when we have and, we have to go for multiplication. When we have or, we have to go for addition. Okay. Now question number 23, vector question. This is also very important question. Okay. In this diagram, this length is given A and this length is given B, right? And K is a point where these two lengths are exactly same, and AK ratio KB, that means this contains 3 parts and this contain 1 parts, right? 3:1. Find the AC in terms of AB. So question is given that we need to find out the length AC. Correct? Now you tell me, if I try to find out the length AC, that one, that equals to, will it be AO vector plus OC vector? Easy. So if I try to simplify again, so AO vector is given A, and OC vector, can I write down 2 times OK vector, because OC 2 times OK vector, right? Up to this we understood, right? Yes or no? Because if you see this one and this one exactly same. So if I try to replace OK with OC, it will be 2 times OK. Then we will try to find out the area, like find out the OK vector. How to find OK vector? Okay. Before that, can I say that AB vector, which vector I am talking about, guys? AB vector. 1 second, please. This one. I am talking about this vector, AB vector. So AB vector equals to AO plus OB. That is AO vector plus OB vector. What is AO vector should be? Minus A. What is OB? OB is given B, right? So I can say AB vector is given minus A plus B. Okay. Now can you find out AK vector? AK vector. Which vector we are talking about? AK. I'm talking about this. So AK equals to 3/4 of AB. Is it okay? AK equals to 3/4 of AB. So if I replace the value of AB here, so this one will be replaced like this one. So 3/4 of minus A plus B. So AK vector, if I try to expand this, it will be minus 3/4A. 1 second. It is 2:1, right? My bad. I'm sorry. This is two parts. My bad. Sorry. This is 2 parts. And this one is given as a 1 second. My bad. This is 2 parts, right? It should be 2/3 of AB vector, right? So 2/3 of AB vector means this is minus A plus B. So when expand this, it will be minus 2/3 of A plus it will be 2/3 of B. This is what I got the AK vector. Which vector? I'm talking about this. Now can anyone tell me how to find OK vector, because I need OK as well. So OK vector equals to OA plus AK vector. Is it okay? So what is OA is given A, and AK vector we got it, I think here. So minus 2 over 3a plus 2 over 3b, right? So when I try to simplify this, I think it should be I think, one second please, a plus minus 2 over 3a, so it will be 1 over 3a plus it will be 2 over 3b. So I got this for the OK vector. Is it okay? Now if I try to find this again, so AC vector equals to a plus 2 times OK, that is 2 times 1 over 3a plus 2 over 3b. Can you see this, everyone? That is a plus 2 over 3a plus it will be 4 over 3b. I think I missed any one second please. Is there any OA? We have OA is a. OK vector equals to AC vector equals to AO. Oh, my bad. This AC vector equals to AO, that is minus a. So AO, this will be minus a. Okay, so please correct it. This is minus a, this one is minus a. Okay, because it's going opposite direction. So minus a plus 2 over 3. So I got minus 1 over 3a plus 4 over 3b. Can you see this, everyone? So yes, this is the answer for this question, minus 1 over 3a plus 4 over 3b. Okay, so be careful. I think I just missed this. This should be minus a because OA is given a, so AO becomes minus a. Sorry for that. Okay, it's the answer I'm getting, minus 1 over 3a plus 4 over 3b. Got it, everyone, clearly? Okay, next question is about cumulative frequency, which is easy. Remember, 0 to 10 is given 3. So please write down the first frequency. CF, cumulative frequency, will be 3. Second frequency will be, try to add the two value, 3 plus 19, that equals 22. Third will be 22 plus 21, that becomes 43. Okay, and 43 plus 5, that becomes 48, and 48 plus 2, that becomes 50. Okay, now we have to draw this. If you see this, for 10 is given 3, for 25 it will be 22, for 35 it becomes 43, for 40 becomes 48, and for 50 becomes 50. So for 10 becomes 3. What does it mean? So 3 will be 1 2 3 somewhere around here, right? For 25 is 22, 25 is 22 means this is 20, 21, like this. Okay, now next is given for 35 is 43, for 35 is 43 means 41 2 3 somewhere around here. Please check this. 35. Then for 40 is given 48. So 40 is given 48 will be somewhere around here. Yes. And for 50 it is given 2. So 50, not 2, sorry, 50 is given 50, right? So please, if I try to join this, don't join with the help of ruler. You have to draw with a freehand sketch. Okay, this is a thing we're getting it. Did you understand, everyone, clearly? Next part is given that use your diagram to find an estimate of number of children with a mass of 32 kg or less. So what does it mean? 32 kg is lying on x-axis. This is 32 kg, right? So I will try to draw a vertical line. I will try to draw a vertical line. It will be like this. Can you see this? And it will intersect the graph at some point. So from that you have to draw a horizontal line to the x-axis. Can you see this, everyone? Yes. Now this could be your answer. So this would be like I'm getting 36 somewhere around. So this answer could be 35 to 38. Okay, any answer. So the multiple answers are accepted. So I got this answer as a 36. Got it, everyone? Okay, this is the second prediction paper. The first prediction paper already I have shared and I have given the link in the description below. Click and try to learn it, and all the best for tomorrow's exam, everyone. Please do subscribe and share this channel, because as you have more tests, so we will be uploading biology paper, physics papers, chemistry papers. Okay, so whenever it is uploaded, you will be getting notified. Okay guys, thank you so much.